In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add your Instagram username or Instagram link to your WhatsApp profile bio. So this is very simple. It's a brand new feature, so make sure you're running the latest version of WhatsApp. So you might want to go to your respective app store. That's the Google Play Store for Android and the Apple App Store for iPhone users, and update WhatsApp to the latest version. Once you do that, simply launch WhatsApp and then go to your WhatsApp settings. So for this one, I'll just tap on the three dots and then select settings. And then tap on your name at the top there. That opens up your Instagram profile page. Your WhatsApp profile page. Now on your WhatsApp profile page, at the bottom now you should see this new option called links. Now you can tap on add links and you can see it gives you the option to add Instagram. So you can tap on that and then it's going to ask you to put in your Instagram username. Now you don't need to type the @ because it's already been typed for you. You can just type in your username directly like that and then tap on save. And that's going to save your Instagram link to your WhatsApp profile. So now every time your WhatsApp will have your profile link, and your WhatsApp people can follow that link to go to your Instagram page. So when other people find your conversation, so they can open up the chat and then they can tap on your name to see your WhatsApp profile, and you can see right below your WhatsApp profile there's going to be an Instagram link, and they can just tap on it like that and it's going to take them to your Instagram page. So that is basically how to add your Instagram link to your WhatsApp bio or WhatsApp profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.